my little unboxing. My homegirl be hooking me up, man. Understand me, have friends in good places, baby. Let me see what she did for me. Oh, she got the bubble wrap on my shit. And then she got the wham in the bag. It's all in the bag, buddy. Oh, be careful, Tony. Just grabbing shit, doing shit. What you got going on here, man? Oh, shit. She got my shit all in the paper. Oh, baby. She's so neat about things. These come from far away, so she makes sure my shit is. Make sure my shit is wrapped real nice, huh? Okay. That's my baby. Yeah, that's the homie right there. She got me.